सब्सक्राइब कीजिए स्टडी विद सर अमन चैनल को और नए वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए।
Good morning, all of you. Welcome to my channel Study with Sir Aman. Okay, today is the second part of factorization chapter 13D. Today we will do factorization by using formula by grouping and taking out common factor. First, we have to arrange so that each term has a common factor. Then we will taking out common factor and we will factorize the remaining one. Okay, now let us start the exercise. We will start the exercise. Question number 1. Come, I have written question for you. 4 terms are here. Anything is common here, you can see A is common here. Anything is common here, you can see B is common here. It means it is arranged. What is the step 1? Step 1. A square plus AX, we can write like this, plus AB plus BX. Okay, so in this two term, what is common? Here is A, here is A, so A is common. What is left here? A. What is left here? X. Leave it. Okay, here is plus, then plus. What is same? B is common. What is left here? A. What is left here? X. Now check carefully these two terms. Step 2. Here is A plus X, here is A plus X. Okay, we can take common A plus X. Taking A plus X as a common factor. A plus X we have taken from here, from here. What is left? This A is left. What is left? Plus B is left. It is our required answer. If you want to check, multiply these two terms, same question will come. Okay, if you want to check your answer. Come, one more question I have written for you. Check nicely. A cube minus A square plus A minus 1. In these two terms, what is common? We can see A is common. But in these two, what is common? Here is A. How many times A? 1 time A. And here is 1. You know that 1 is a factor of every number. Okay. How we will arrange this question? Step 1. A cube minus A square plus A minus 1. 1 pair, 1 pair. Okay. Now what is same here? A. Which one is common? 3 or 2? Square. What is left here? A minus 1. Is it okay? A square already we have taken here. So what is left here? 1. Plus in A and in 1. What is common? Nothing is common, means 1. Now you see carefully, here is A minus 1, here is A minus 1. We will take common, taking A minus 1 as a common factor. A minus 1 we have taken common factor. Now whatever is left, you write, that is your answer. A square plus 1 is your required answer. Okay, written for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only one constant is here. Rest all are variables. Okay. We will see at first. In 3 and 6 we can take something common. 3 we can take common. In 2 and 4 we can take something common. We can take 2 common. Here is X, here is X, here is X, here is X. Means question is arranged. Okay. Step 1. These two we can write like this. These two we can write like this. These two we can write like this. Here is plus, I have written here minus. Minus, minus, plus. Okay. Now take common. What is common here? 3. In 3 and 6, what is common? 3. Here is x to the power 5, x to the power 4, which is common, x to the power 4. What is left here? Only one x is left here. Minus. What is left here? 2. X to the power 4 already we have taken common. So this term is finished. Minus. Minus is here. Minus. 2 and 4. What is common? 2. Here is x cube, here is x square. Which one is common? What I have told you. Which has the highest common factor, that is common. Okay. Or in another language you can understand, which has the lowest power, that is always common. What is left here? X minus 2. Okay. What is here? Plus. In x and 2, what is common factor? 1. 1 is the common factor of all. You check it carefully. Here is x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2. Okay. So x minus 2 is common, we can take x, taking x minus 2 as a common factor. X minus 2 we have taken. X minus 2 we have taken common factor. Now whatever is left, you will write rest all. 3x4 minus 2x square plus 1 is our required answer. Say new question for you. This question, first we have to solve the question. Okay. X square minus a into x, ax minus minus plus 3 into x, 3x minus 3a. Okay. Now you see something is common here. What is common here? You can tell me. X is common. What is common here? 3 is common. Step 1. We can take x common. What is left here? X. What is here? Minus. What is here? A. This term is finished. Here is plus. What is common here? 3. Here is x. Here is a. Nothing is common. What is left? Here x minus a. Okay. Now x minus a, x minus a. We can take it common. Taking x minus a as a common factor. X minus a is common. X plus 3 is our required answer. In this exercise, we have to notice one thing. What common term will come in first? The same common term has to be come in second. Okay. Then we can take it common. Otherwise, your solution is wrong. Clear? One more question I have written for you. See. Different type of question. A square minus b square, b square minus c square. It is not common, so we have to expand the term. A square into c, a square c, b square into c, b square c plus multiply ab square multiply ac square. Okay. Now it is question. Now we have to arrange, we have to see what is common here. If we take common here c, again same question will come. If we take here common a, again same question will come. Means we have to group it. Now we have to arrange. How to arrange? You can see one thing here. A square c and here is ac square. Something is same to same, common. Okay. Now what is left here? Plus ab minus b square c. Okay. One thing you have to notice. It is not necessary that in one time you will arrange it correctly. Okay. Once you arrange, if factor will not come, you cut and you make it once more. Now you see what is common here. In these two terms, what is common? Here is a is common. Here is c is common. AC is common in both the terms. So AC I have written here. What is left here? A. What is here? Minus a I have taken here. 1c I have taken here. What is left here? C plus. Okay. Now in these two terms, what is same? You can check b square is common. What is left here? A minus c. What I have told you, notice. What is common here? A minus c. What is common here? A minus c. It means our factorization is correct. Now taking a minus c as a common factor. A minus c bracket ac plus. After taking common, whatever is left we have to write. What is left here? AC. It carries plus b square is our required answer. If you want to check, multiply these two terms, the same question will come out. Okay. Question very interesting, conceptual question. How to solve this? First you check, we have to multiply this. Multiply first term a b c square. multiply second ab d square minus a square cd minus b square cd. Now in this fourth term we will make two terms common. Okay, in these two terms anything is common. If you take common here, the same question will come out. Okay, it means we have to arrange the question. Let us try a b c square, bring it here, minus a square cd. Okay, now what is left? Minus b square cd plus it is also left a b d square. Clear? Why we have done like this? Now we will check anything is common or not here. Here is a, here is a. Check only in these two terms. What is common? A. We can write here A is common. Then here is B, not B. Here is C, here is C. We can write here C is common. What is left here? A we have taken, B we have not taken. 1C we have taken, so 1C is left. Minus A square 1A we have taken here. What is here? A. C we have taken. What is left here? D. Minus. Now check in these two terms. Here is B, here is B. So B will be common always. Here is C, not C. It is not common. But here is D, here is D. D is common. Now check what is left here. 1B, 1C, minus, minus, plus. Remember it, okay? A and here D. Now check BC minus AD, BC minus AD. It means factorization is correct. Take it common. Taking BC minus AD as a common factor. Okay. BC minus AD, AC minus BD is our required answer. After taking common, whatever term is left, we have to write in bracket. That is our required answer. No more question. How many terms are here? 6 terms I have written here. Now, how to see what is common? You see, first term is A. Now, one more A is here. Here is B. One more B is here. Here is C. One more C is here. Okay. So first we will arrange AX minus 3A plus 2bx, where is one more b, minus 6b plus 3cx minus 9c. A, B, C. We will try like this at first. Now what is same here in these two terms? In these two terms what is same? A. What is left here? X minus 3. Here is 2, here is 6. So 2 is common. Here is B, here is B. B is common. What is left here? X minus 2, 3 is 6. Plus. Here is 3, here is 9. 3 is common. Here is C, here is C. C is also common. What is left here? X. 3, 3 is 9. Check carefully at all the 3 places what is common here? X minus 3. So taking x minus 3 as a common factor. X minus 3 will be common outside. What term is left here? A plus 2b plus 3c is our required answer. I hope all of you have understood this, the basic concept of this question. If you have not understood, replay, go and watch again the video carefully. You will understand what we have to do in the exercise. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, press like button and press the notification bell so that you can get all the latest information. And those who have not seen the first part of this video, go in the playlist, watch the first video, come back and solve. Thank you. Have a good day.